Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we got a bit of a news today. News item that, of course, is debatable and is interesting in its own way. So it has to do with chip maker Nvidia, that, of course, is known to make pretty powerful chips that can be used for a variety of systems. And of course, AI is part of it. Graphics GPUs can be used outside of what they are meant for, not just graphics. But a lot of their chips are being looked at as being potentially powerful enough that they should be limited in who can purchase them. And of course, one of those is there's a U.S. Manufacturing Chips Act that came into effect that kind of has a set of guidelines of how chips and powerful electronics devices can be sold to who around the world. And Nvidia is part of that restriction and regulation, especially with China right now. So they need special permissions to sell to China, which they did say is going to hurt their business. Now, one of the things that's happening is that China has started to say that they've seen a backdoor introduced in Nvidia products, so has to spy on them. And of course, here we have Nvidia saying, well, it would be dumb to do that because a backdoor is basically just a catastrophe waiting to happen, as any hacker will get access to it. So they do say that they have high security practices and that they have not put any backdoor in their chips. China says, yes, the U.S. government asked them to do so, and they're doing it. Who's right, who's wrong? Technically, I still kind of believe Nvidia didn't do it, but it's a very complex situation. And, it's a situation where it's not just a thing with China or any other country. It's also a thing that could be, if it would be something known, if we would learn that Nvidia has a backdoor in a chip, I would be one of the first to not want to buy any more GPUs that come from Nvidia. It's something that should not happen, and if it would be, I don't want to have that. So I think Nvidia probably doesn't do it, but now that we have suspicion of could it happen, are they doing it on some chips? It does raise a red flag that we all have to observe. And remember that no backdoors are acceptable in computing, because it is untrue that you have a backdoor that is safe. A backdoor is just, like I said, a catastrophe and a waiting. Bad guys will get access to it and do what they want. That's why we cannot allow that to happen. And we got to make sure that it doesn't happen. But, the question I would ask you, and please, no politics and no bad or good or whatever. What I just want to know, and a quick yes or no, is the perfect answer to this. If you know that a graphics, a GPU that you want for gaming would have a backdoor, would you still purchase it? Yes or no? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.